Hey everyone, it's all about the bike again. Today, we recently had the opportunity to test ride the DYU C6 e-bike, and we were really surprised with what's available these days for far less than €1,000. This new model is distinguished by a sophisticated, timeless, and nostalgic look, which is evocative of vintage bicycles, but updated with an electric motor. With a 26-inch frame, the DYU C6 has a svelte yet sturdy appearance. Nostalgia is sparked by the bike's vintage appearance and traditional European handlebar appearance. It's a pleasure to ride because of the plush, wider seat, which improves both comfort and appearance. A robust 350-watt 36-volt high-speed motor mounted on the rear hub of the C6 enables a top speed of 25 km/h. This motor is especially useful for climbing hills and managing through city traffic because it provides significant support at all levels. The DYU C6 shows to be dependable and effective whether you're riding for fun or making a commute. The DYU C6's 12.5 ampere-hours battery, which offers an amazing range of 50 to 70 kilometers on a single charge, is one of its best characteristics. Our testing has consistently yielded results within this range, which is in line with product statements and customer feedback. The range is more than adequate for regular everyday use and extended tours, though it may vary depending on the terrain and riding conditions. The DYU C6's adaptability is increased by the Shimano 6-speed gears, which guarantee smooth rides even on uneven and mountainous terrain. With its 27 kilograms weight, the bike is easy to operate and park with minimal effort due to its good combination of durability and maneuverability. Positive comments about this feature have also been made in the first online reviews. The DYU C6 has excellent driving qualities, especially when traveling on the road. It is simple to operate and offers a nice, steady ride free of tremors or wobbles. Whether we were traveling through urban areas or discovering new locations, we relished every ride. The DYU C6 is a great choice for novices due to its simple controls and short learning curve. Additionally, the 6-speed Shimano rear derailleur helps to improve rider control in a variety of situations. Despite the DYU C6's many benefits, there are a few places where it may be improved. Its weight is one of these features. Although it is normal for an electric bike to weigh 27 kilograms, some users may find it to be too heavy, especially if they are bringing the bike to an anteroom or basement. All things considered, nevertheless, the DYU C6's advantages greatly exceed these small disadvantages. It's a great option for anyone looking for a dependable and practical e-bike because of its great performance, fashionable appearance, and comfortable riding position. For those looking for an electric bike that combines modern technology with a traditional appearance, the DYU C6 is a fascinating choice. It is a sensible option for both leisure trips and city transportation because of its strong motor, remarkable battery life, and cozy appearance. The DYU C6 proves that you don't have to sacrifice quality or performance in order to stay within your budget. It offers outstanding value for less than €1,000. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I will wait for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.